Hi guys, this is Kelly. I was just going to show you how you can log on and get on the Zoom call with us if you do not want to download Zoom onto your computer. So when you click on the email link, it should either open up a browser or you can do a copy and paste thing. So here's a meeting that I created. When you click on that link, it should take you to a page that looks like this. And what you're going to do if you don't want to download Zoom is instead of clicking open here, you click cancel. And then it gives you the option to click here to launch the meeting. And you can click cancel again. And once you do that a second time, it gives you an option down here at the bottom of the screen to start from your browser. And then it should log you into the meeting, and you can see up here, I'm not in the Zoom application. I am actually in I use Google Chrome. And so this is a little tab with the meeting that I created. Hope this helps. Bye guys.